Initial findings confirm that this attack is in continuity of a broader pattern of violence sponsored by India through Fitna al-Hindustan. It is with profound sorrow that I address you today in the aftermath of the despicable terrorist attack on a school bus in Khuzdar on the early morning of May 21st. This cowardly attack targeted innocent children, our future, resulting in the tragic loss of 7 lives, including 5 children, and 6 children now, and injuries to 31 others. Let me be unequivocal that this was not an attack on a bus alone. It was an attack on our values, on our education, and on the very fabric of our society. On behalf of the government of Pakistan, I extend our deepest condolences to the families of the victims. We share their grief, and we stand by them in this hour of immense pain that they are suffering. The Ministry of Interior, in close cooperation with the provincial authorities and the law enforcement agencies, are looking into all angles of this dastardly attack. Initial findings confirm that this attack is in continuity of a broader pattern of violence sponsored by India through Fitna al-Hindustan, operating under the tutelage and the patronage of the Indian intelligence agency RAW. Having miserably failed in the so-called Operation Sindoor, the terror proxies of Hindustan have been tasked to accentuate their heinous attacks of terrorism in Balochistan and elsewhere, sabotage development in the region, incite fear amongst the population, and derail the journey of peace and development in an attempt to repeat their playbook of 1971. Let me be absolutely clear here. The people of Pakistan will not let them succeed. Pakistan and its people, particularly those in Balochistan, reject this nefarious design. The state has the capacity and the will to dismantle these networks and bring the perpetrators and their handlers to justice. Such actions will have consequences. In the past couple of years, having suffered immense casualties in their attempts against hard targets, Fitna al-Hindustan have now resorted to hitting soft targets. Wayfarers, laborers working on development projects, infrastructure and machinery, to paint a picture of loosening control of the state. Much against the traditions and culture of the Baloch, these terrorists have stooped so low, innocent school children have now been targeted. I assure you that the state, in collaboration with the provincial governments and the state apparatus, will defeat them. These Indian-sponsored terrorists have no place in Pakistan and our national discourse. We have the wherewithal and the commitment to bring an end to this violence. Our resolve is firm, and our response will be decisive. They will not succeed. I now request DG ISPR to take on the specifics of the matter at hand. Thank you.